chickens and the ducks. So, beautiful day in October. Chickens are laying me 4 eggs one day and 3 eggs another day. They don't even use these 2 top nesting boxes. Like, I don't even know why I keep them, but they use this one and that one. And then they lay eggs over here as well. I need to actually... I'm doing the deep bedding method this year to try it. So I need to put in some more bedding now. So I'll do that after. I head over to my brother's for a while. Just have supper with him and talk to him. I haven't seen him in so long because of nursing school. So I gave the chickens some squash because it was too small for me in my consumption and for the family. So they're eating it. I don't see why not. Actually went the good use. So I redid the duck coop. Well, not redid it, but I put in some new bedding. Took out the old bedding. It's in the gardens. And I put this in. The chickens like it way more than the ducks. I wish I got that on the video. But what the chickens are doing, there's probably 4 or 5 in there. And the chickens are trying to get in. You know, the ducks are trying to get in, but the chickens won't let them. And they're the ducks and the chickens. I do like having that pond there since the chickens can get water as well. And the ducks can. So maybe I might keep it for a week or 2. Maybe I might wait until November to get rid of put it away. Anyways, I'm getting 4 eggs one day and 3 the other day. Well, it's either 2 to 3 eggs the other day. There's everybody. Let's move up to the gardens. So I'm just cleaning up the gardens. I've been harvesting some sunflowers heads to give to the chickens. You can see the garden looks terrible. Like, tomatoes are done for the year. Harvest the last few and give them to the chickens. Strawberries are actually giving me some strawberries, so I'm gonna eat some more. There's a zucchini right there. Marigolds are looking fantastic. Zinnias are looking good. Said before, sunflowers, I'm giving them the chickens. The yellow ones, the orange and the red ones I'm keeping for seeds. Sunflowers. Brussels sprouts. Looking fantastic. I'm going to wait until frost hits to harvest them because they get more sweeter. The herbs are looking great as well. I need to harvest some herbs soon. That part I'm closing. Like, I'm done with that part. It doesn't give me anything. All it gives me is hassle and drives me mad when I have the roadkill because of that tree. Head over here. This is the garden that needs a lot of fertilizer. So I've been putting chicken poop in here, and I've been putting duck poop in here. That's where the bedding from the duck's coop went. Sunflowers looking fantastic. Like, oh my god. Look, there's a bee. Okay. So the sunflower is doing fantastic. I put apples in here as well. The apples I didn't think would be good enough for my family to eat. And let's see, this garden had my potatoes in it, and my potatoes are terrible. I think I planted like 30 plants, and I probably got 50 potatoes. So, waste of my time. Just gave me a beautiful sunflower, really. The potatoes that I harvested are already gone, so potatoes were a disaster this year. I might try and grow some sweet potatoes next year. I have herbs in there I need to harvest. I still need to break up and dry. Yeah, that's all.